Okay, so I'm here at the ATM in Colombia. It looks like somebody had a little bit of fun last night. And just want to make sure that you guys know if you ever travel to Colombia, probably any other Latin American country as well, this is a special trick if I can figure out how to get this started. Okay, so first we're going to put our card in, and it's going to show us a few options on the screen. Go ahead and click English for you guys. Withdraw from checking. Now different ATMs will give you different amounts. This one's 600 max, 600 pesos. You have to accept this. This is a cost of operation. It's going to have you enter your PIN number. Other ATMs may have a different flow, but they'll all ask you this question here. This is an important question. It wants you to accept or decline. You want to decline this conversion. The reason is the conversion's less than what the U.S. banks are going to agree on. The U.S. and Colombian banks, if you decline, it's going to be a higher amount. So we're actually making more money now by declining that conversion. And I didn't know this before. So I'm actually going to show you two different modes. We're going to do this 2 times. I'm going to do it 1 time with the conversion and 1 time without the conversion. So the money's going to be the same that comes out because we put $600, but the conversion, the amount that it charges your bank, is going to be different. So if we look here, you can see operation cost was 22,000 pesos. Okay. Okay, so here we are again. We have to accept the cost of operation. Go ahead and enter your PIN number, and now it's going to show us this page here. And so we're going to accept this conversion this time, which is 4,100. Well, if you Google it now, I think it's 4,400. It might be 4,500. So for every $1, it's 4,500 pesos. 4,500. And this is only doing 4,100. So the end result is we should end up paying more. Again, the cash is going to be the same. Okay, so both times you can see that $600, 600 pesos was released, but the difference is I was charged 140 on one transaction and 150 plus on the other. So I literally paid more because I accepted the fee that it wanted me to accept. And if you're reading that in Spanish and you don't speak Spanish well, or maybe even if you do speak Spanish well, you might not know to not accept it. So make sure never to accept the conversion rate, ever. Always decline, and you'll get more money. So that's it.